Okay, I'm going to go over how to set up your navigation items in the top area. So all of that is managed under Appearance and Menus. And to get started, I'm going to go ahead and create new menus. If you've imported the menus, they're already there and it's pretty self-explanatory. You can just select them and start editing them. But I wanted to go over, how to edit the menu items from scratch. So let's go ahead and create, in this demo, a new menu. We'll call it New Main Menu. And we're creating a menu. And basically this will be our main menu, and then we'll create another one, and we'll call this New Right Menu. And let's go under Manage Locations. And this is where you can change your menus. So under primary, we're going to do that new main menu. And then the right one, we'll do the new right menu. And I'm going to open up the website in another tab. And the reason for this is so I can just click back and forth. And so now we have our main menu right here in the top right one. Of course, they're blank since all I did was create blank menus. So let's go ahead and go back and start adding pages. I'll do the main one first, and then we'll get over to this right one. So go ahead and go to Edit Menus, and again, we'll select the one we want to edit, which in our case is New Main Menu. And it's pretty simple. You can just start adding pages, and then you can drag and drop to reorder them. Pretty simple stuff. There's this bullet right here, which gives you more options. So if you want to remove items, you can do so. So if you want to remove an item, etc. Let's go ahead and click Save and refresh, and you'll see it's very easy to set up your menu up here. Pretty darn simple. We'll come back to this one. I just wanted to go over this right one again. So let's go ahead and edit that right one now under New Right Menu. And for that one, in the live preview anyways, we have a custom link which is linking to a page. So pick whatever you want to link it to, and then I think in the live preview we have purchase on Onzo, like so. And if we save the menu, refresh, you can see the button up here. Oh yeah, and then we have actually an icon as well in there. And to add in an icon, you just click this drop down, and you'll want to select the menu icon right here. And if you click on this link, it'll send you to a list of tons of icons. And I think in the live preview we have this one right here, so chevron-right. So if you just type in that, it will add the icon in your menu, like so. And I'll go over that again in more detail. So that's how you get the icon up there. Actually, the one in the live preview must be the thinner one, which is angle right. I'm just going to switch that for now just to show you. Voila, there we go. So that last bit right there is just an icon, and you have your link as well. So that's going to cover kind of the basics on how to set up your menu, how to kind of add links. Of course, if you want to edit the link, you can always just edit it right there for that custom link. So let's go back to our new main menu, and let's go over drop downs. So let's say we wanted to put a drop down under About. Let's say we want to put Gallery and Contact underneath About. All you need to do is drag it and indent it, and you can see it kind of snaps. So there's like an indent underneath About. And so if we save that and we refresh, you now have a drop down under About and Gallery. It's pretty easy. Of course, if you don't want to drop down anymore, you can always just drag them back very easily. So again, let's go over how to add icons again. So under About, let's go to this font icon list, and let's add an icon under About. So under all these icons, you can search for them, but let's say you wanted this bicycle one. All you need to do is type in bicycle, and that icon will appear in your menu. So let's go to type in bicycle, save the menu, and we refresh, and you can have yourself a little bicycle in the menu. So in the live preview, for instance, we have little icons under like the shopping cart and etc. under that navigation item. So the last thing I wanted to go over was let's add one more page, and we'll put a mega menu underneath this, and this is a columned mega menu. And this actually isn't in the live preview, but I'm sure people will ask about it. So to add that, go under Enable Mega Menu, and you can choose how many columns you want your menu to be. Let's do 3 for this example. And let's add headings to it. So to add headings, just add this pound sign, and then go heading 1, and then heading 2. And if you're unsure what I'm doing, don't worry, it will make sense shortly. And we'll make this a drop down. And let's go ahead and save it, and then I'll refresh, and you can kind of see what I mean by a mega menu. What this means is it is a 3 or 4 columned menu underneath. And so you can have columns with tons of menu items if you would like. So then let's just add a couple menu items underneath each of these. So to add them underneath, just undent one more level. And then I'm just gonna keep adding these underneath. So I'm adding 3 links just arbitrarily underneath heading 1, 2, and 3. Like so. And now when we refresh it, you'll see exactly what I mean by a mega menu. That is how you can have, if for instance you want to have a ton of menu items in under one bullet, you do have the option for that, which is pretty cool.